welcome back. This week, still on the ST. I need to drain the shaft fluid and basically then put in fresh, so I know that that job's done. Basically, other than that, after that I've got a few little bits of electrical to sort, and then it will be basically replace the bodywork, and then it will basically be finished, and then it's off for its MOT. So let's get cracking. Right, as you can see, I've already taken the exhaust off. It's just literally undo the bracket there, undo the bolt that sits through there, and it just pulls off very easy. So this is what we're attacking today. As I say, this is all quite new to me, shaft drives and ABS and all the things this bike's got. So I have done a bit of checking online. As I said, if I am doing anything wrong, anybody out there that notices that's not quite right, please tell me. I do appreciate all the comments I get. It's all experience for me. But by what I've heard, well, by what I've seen, that is the main drain plug and that is the fill plug. If that's completely wrong, please tell me. But that's what I'll be starting with. As I say, I have seen a couple of videos of people doing changing shaft oil. So that one's a 17mm, so let's get that one out. Obviously I need something underneath to catch it. Yeah, as I said, not really used to shaft drive bikes. So I'll just let that drain. Actually got myself some replacement gear oil. By the looks of it, it doesn't need a great deal, but not much is coming out. But then if that is the actual, as I've seen, if that's the actual filler, and that's the drain plug, you only fill it up to the rim, or to the brim of it, so it doesn't take a lot. Probably you'd have to consult your manual because obviously every bike's different. I think this one is about 115mm. So just leave that draining for a little bit longer. Yeah, it is a bit sludgy on the end. Alright, that seems to have basically drained. There wasn't a great deal there. Right. Yep, and that's the filler cap. So by what I've seen, you're actually filling it up just to the brim. Alright, back in with the sump plug. Obviously new washer. Just a quick wipe. Again, both 17mm sockets. Let's get that out of the way. Right, again, I'll have to use a funnel. Some of the gear oils you can get, I've got like a pump on the end. This one doesn't. So let's just put a piece of rag underneath just in case we drip. Right, slowly fill. Yep, that's on the brim. That was hardly any at all. That was probably, let me see, about 130 millilitres. Right, so back in with the plug, tighten, and wipe. Oh, that was easy. Or easier than I expected, so to say. Why it's accessible. Just give everything a quick clean over. Right, all that's left to do is just pop the exhaust back on. There we go. Right, so that's back in. Right. And now what's left to do, let's just tighten that. There we go, and that's done. So that's exhaust out, shaft or gear axle changed, or yeah, gear oil, that's changed. So that's another job ticked off the list. There's not a great deal more to do. As I say, we've covered front brakes, we've covered rear brakes and disc, we've covered coolant, we covered engine oil change and filter change. I quickly changed out the fuel filter. Very, very simple. Just basically a clamp on each side. And obviously we've done the air filter. One job I have to do later on is these actual saddlebag rails. They run from back up inside here all the way along, all the way down. As you can see by this one, it's actually been riveted together because it's snapped. So I do have another set, so that'll be a job that needs addressing in the future. But for today, that's about it. So nice and easy-ish, quick one, that one. So I hope that was helpful. As I say, any comments in the comments box below, because obviously I've never done this sort of thing before, but the ST series at the moment is enjoyable. It's definitely a learning curve for me, and I hope it will help people out there who are in the same boat as I'm in. But so join me again next time. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.